Okay, so this is fairly good. Um, I'm so awkward after a long time in a vlog style on cam. So I'm just done 10 laps and I thought I'll just vlog a bit. Well, I mean, brag a bit about the things I do. And it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been thinking about calling it the ESB or the OSB, the editing solo business, or more like the online solo business. But, well, yeah, some context. I'm here at Pune. Today's my dad's birthday. We've got two rooms. We have a membership at this place called Orchid Hotel. They have like a bunch of hotels. So this is like a fort, right? This is Jadavgarh Fort. They like it's legit a fort. It's just converted into a hotel, cool place. And we drove down from Mumbai to Pune. Insane, annoying drive. Like it was good and bad. It had its own fair share of good and bad. Regardless, here we are. Really enjoyed. Did my yoga session in the room. There's like these good slots, right? I'll show you that later. Like I'll pop it on the screen where you can just put the curtains and do some yoga. And I mean, I'm gonna vlog regardless. So the concept we talked, the pool is open only till 7 and it's 6:45. It's so annoying. I want to vlog, but pool closes and I'm down just only 10 laps. And I've eaten like a hawk today. I ate like a club sandwich and tea just now. And in the morning during the drive, I ate like a sada dosa and Korean McDonald's, Mac paneer or something, Mac spicy paneer. Regardless, so yeah, what is it that I wanted to say, right? All along was, this is this kind of life I always wanted for, um, well, the last 3 years. I've been doing it, but, before that, it was always doubtful, right? 2020, 2021, 2022, even like 11th grade, 12th grade, so 2019. But I was so focused in 2019 on college, like school stuff, A levels, exams, and I just thought I'll go into the rat race, but then later, right? COVID 21. I knew that there's this path, right? Wherein, I won't have to sort of subscribe to someone else's model of life and, have my own freedom. Um, yeah, so running business. And today I was driving and, I couldn't do anything. Yeah, the Wi Fi is also not the best, just 16 Mbps. But, I could communicate with my team, like my editor who works for me. And well, things get sorted that way. He gets the stuff done. I get to, put it in. And that's how I play. And now, the reason why I'm calling this the OSB right now, not the ESB, is because some of my top clients who I work with, right, we're shifting more over to, like, of course, there will be editing because, I pitched a really big deal there. But I think there may be some automations coming in. I am working on a lot of my own projects. Well, 2025 has been kind of like a holiday more than work. But yeah, I'm building some new systems, a lot of automations. I kind of made my own app as well, right? I made like one app for the agency wherein it helps us with the editing, and another app for trading. So like stock markets are going really well for me. This like right now I have some positions, and like over the last 4 or 5 days I've had some big wins. Humble enough with them. Like they're not yet closed, right? So who knows what happens to them, and yeah, just wanted to say, right, like, I mean, I don't know if I'm giving any pointers. I'm gonna close the video in the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So the main point is that, right, you can have your own layer of reality. You can have your own model of reality. For me, it was online business. I think for everyone, it should be online business because the world is going towards that. And I think AI and automations is going to be a big thing over the next few months for my own business. Not only like we were just chatting, me and my top clients yesterday from Australia. Like the guys who paid me more than $10,000 in 2024, and I know that's like less if you look at it overall, but then it was a big amount for me because they were like my first guys and they're still in touch with me. So just talking about automations and how to ease the content creation tasks and getting the video scripts done, and they were shocked at the outputs. And if I can further and get those outputs in a certain way, I can pitch them a nice $2,500 system. And I mean, I'm building my own things also, right? So a cold outreach system. So yesterday I was sitting at night and I ended up scraping like 2,000 leads for my business, like the new one, the chart animations one. I mean, it is the editing business, but it has a layer of animations. And I told you I made my own software to, help with that. And then there are a few animators who I know are going to help with that. So yeah, I got building a new cold outreach system initially. to do this, it would have taken me two people, two employees, and myself, a person to make a website, and a person to scrape leads over 1 month, pay him 5,000 rupees a month, pay the website guy 10,000 rupees to build a really shitty website. But over the last, like last night, I just scraped 2,000 leads, qualified leads. They're insanely qualified. And I can ultra personalize the emails myself with the help of AI. And at the same time, the website is beautiful. Like, I made that a while back. I'm gonna mod it. I bought the domain and stuff, pretty quick stuff. So yeah, I do have experience with it. Maybe that's what I thought. But of course, there's the layer of AI. So yeah, I think focus on AI and automation. Download Cursor, I'd say. Like start developing on Cursor or make.com, or just learn both of them. Like for me, it's so good, right? It's like a culmination. Like I studied so much of code in 2020 in the lockdown, and then I even did one job in code, and then I dropped out of engineering college, thinking like this is a lost cause. But I can see it culminate today to how it is converting in business, and how I can use these AI tools with so much more grasp over it than any normal person, even though I'm a college dropout. And yeah, it's just beautiful. So regardless, right, I have built the skills of sales, marketing, outreach, all these things, and it's very important to do outreach. So I'm taking it really seriously. I have cold. It's 6:50. I need 10 minutes of swimming now. I'm gonna get some more laps. So that's pretty much it for this video. Quick update, and I'm trying to make a thumbnail now. So what do we do? Something like this. No one's coming. It's so cool, right? So I don't have I should not be scared to record because I have built the skill of communication, right? People talk a lot about my ability to speak well. Fuck off. Regardless, yeah. I'll give you 5 simple steps, okay? Or whatever, however it culminates to. So find an obsession, believe in it, regardless who the fuck talks about it. Acquire the skill stack, and yeah, just run it over the next 3-4 months or 1 year. 1 year, like 3-4 months is what clicks into some money. But always look at the money side, right? I'd say the best side for you would be hitting content creators. I'm hitting businesses now, like proper companies for my animations business, like the chart animations one, because if we have some backbone and the skin in the game, right? Like more than 1.5 year of proper working with finance clients, scaling 150 million views, 500,000 subscribers for a creator, and other creators as well. Not that scale of results, but there is some sales. So that's sufficient for me to use as credentials. Maybe you can try, but you can try like a few high companies. But then the best thing would be, just if you're a noob, go with creators. Go with creators, and then just start massively outbound, sending them emails, messages, DMs. Email is the best because then you get to show them whatever you want. Like make a really sexy website, make a really sexy email copy, and yeah, have your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, and that's pretty much results, right? So no one's gonna talk against you. And yeah, that's pretty much it of how to build a beautiful business that gives you freedom, and you don't have to submit to anyone, and find some good people you can work with. So for me, my current guy, he's too good. He's building his own business as well, but he works with me also because he gets paid, and he's in the building phase, right? So I can see through it that okay, he needs to he'll take some time, he needs some funding, right? If I pay him, if he does my work, then it's like a certain flow of money, and no one likes to give up a good flow of money, right? Because I've been paying him for like about 2 years now. So he's really beautiful. He has a dope PC also now, so the edits are looking really good. Maybe when time comes, I start again creating my own content, and it's 6:55. I got overtime, and then yeah. So even contents in the pipeline, my own content, because I know many people love my content, and I know I can scale to a good amount of subscribers, but it's taking time. Trying this right now just for fun. I may end up getting 3,000 views. Normally, fun videos get 3,000 views over hard working videos that get 500 or 600 views, but some even get like 5,000 views, like Ben's bio. So regardless, that's it for this one. Till the next one, stay humble, keep grinding. Peace. can see me swim for a while now. मैं निकल रहा 5 मिनट में निकल Fuck YouTube. I lose 5 minutes. I lose like 10 minutes of swimming. About that. 15 laps done. I think she took it. I hope that doesn't spoil my phone. Talk about walking like a drunk. Yeah, I've been swimming a lot over the last few weeks, including the gym. Been cutting and kind of getting some muscle. I just want to sleep here, man. It's so tiring. I don't know why I'm vlogging today, but it's so fun. So today, at my building in Mumbai, it's like we have a pool on the terrace, but it's so hot the water these days because of the sun and the heat and summer. But here it kind of rains also, and so it's cold here, pretty cold. Right? You actually feel like fuck, I'm going to get a bit, I'm tired, to get a bit cooled from the heat. But in Mumbai, it's like, it's more hot there. Just swim, man. It burns a lot of calories. Gymming is on, so you can see my biceps. I don't know if you can see. Chest is good. Stomach is not the best. Not the best. But there is some muscle mass that has come because of the muscle memory, and at the same time, building it. It's a bit of a bigger. This is bigger than what we have. So if I do from there to there, it will definitely be bigger. I'm doing from here to there. So that is not, that is, from here to there is similar to what we have in our building. But from there to there will be a pretty long distance of swimming. So with the editing solo business, the concept is pretty simple, right? Or online solo business, like you don't even need to be editing right now because there's so much of value you can deliver when it comes to AI and automations. You can build your own service, you can build your own offer, you can build your own automation, and start pitching. So I mean, of course it's easy to say, so I'm going to put this all into practice over the next 1 week, not even 1 month. I bought my base domain, maybe another domain, and then have like 5 emails and start outreach with all of those. I have 2,000 emails which I scraped for free. Apollo was free trial, and then the scraper of that also was on free trial for 1 day, and I can just make another account and scrape if I want to. And I think we should get at least one private equity financial services firm to work with us on content for a big deal. Let's see, bro. It's all talk right now, so I don't want to talk big. I do have other clients. That's what's running my life. But I just don't want to survive, right? I want to thrive. I want to make this $10,000, $20,000 months, which I've never done. And the max I've done is like 3.2 to 4 lakhs a month in a month. That was around September 2024. And then, business has its ups and downs. I've not seen that ever again. But yeah, like 2024, 2025, like that was an average. If you look at averages, it's 1.1 lakh a month, which is really good revenues. Like really high profit margins. Like I don't want to say the number, I think around 70 to 90%. It goes up and down, right? Depending on times. So yeah, that's ESB, editing solo business. But time to just look at the OSB. So if you look at online solo business, could be across personal brand, which currently pays off nothing, even though I'm just enjoying this sort of clarity I built while recording this video. So it pays off in that sense, right? That you're building clarity, and then I made my own sort of SOP around men's bio, which is another content piece, right? So that builds clarity for my sexual cycle. Then just a lot of value you get of creating content, and then money is just a byproduct maybe after a while. And then editing work, automations, AI and automations, big game. Selling software as a service, another big game, which I have my own apps. Maybe I can sell it to the public down this year. And then there is, what else? There's so much. It just goes on and on, right? Once it rains, it pours. So just gotta keep myself open. And I think I should end it here. I may want to show you my room later. This is the entry. I'm gonna turn on some lights if I can for better lighting. So you control everything from this portal sort of thing. AC is on medium right now. It's too cold this room. Let's keep this on. And okay, that was on. This is on. This was just off, so we get some more lighting because we have this. So yep, my phone is wet because I put the camera inside water, but you can see the room, right? So you enter from this door and you come here, and this is that spot I was talking about. I did my yoga here. I use this for feet support, and that position as well is supposed to be on the bed. I still have one more yoga session, like not yoga, like yoga's of two things, right? There's kriya and there's meditation. So just meditation to go. I'm gonna order some room service food because we're eating in the room. Some goodies and TV. It's like a smart TV. I'm gonna try and watch something. My laptop's in my bag. I brought it, and it is 7:35. Dinner time. There is a buffet, but I won't eat that. Yeah, so we changed the room, right? So, oh fuck, I just saw this. Yep, so I just cleared my iPhone. A lot of boring stuff. But yeah, there's another connecting room here. I just noticed, and this is what I was talking about. So it's like do my meditation here. And this is a small spot. Regardless. Bedroom. My sister slept in the afternoon. I did meditation and yoga. Kriyas basically. Just and more meditation. This is the bathroom. I showered in the afternoon, but I'll do it again because chlorine water, swimming trunks, wardrobe, and yours truly. So yeah, I think I didn't give you a lot of clarity with what I was kind of making with this video, but who cares, right? I think you grasp what you can grasp. Right now it's just about sort of building something rather than just sitting. So I mean, making some video for my YouTube, because in my analytics portal it's like 50 days since the last post, and that was men's bio. So yeah, I want something more holistic, and content like this is quite holistic, easy to make, but it's getting too long. So I just can take this, put it on my laptop and my MacBook and edit it, like add some captions, get the cuts done. And I think there's AI that does cuts, so I'm gonna try and experiment with that today. That's pretty much it, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. It is 7:45. I need to eat a meal. I'm gonna order something. So all I'm gonna tell you is be really humble, my friends, because the time ego gets to you, that is the most difficult times. The time you are suffering is the time you are spending in an egotistical state or in a stupid state. Like the biggest lesson for me in 2024 and 2025, a bit start in February, was like, just drop the ego. Like, you get so attached to a few things, morals of reality. Just be open, willing to anything and everything, right? Everything may crash tomorrow. Someone may die, some money is lost. I mean, I was even scammed in this year, and I was so chill about it. I lost like 40 grand on my PlayStation account. Someone freaking hacked my account and bought games out of it. Really calm and composed. And I decided, like, if I'll do the requirement, the minimum required to get the money back. Got the money back, donated most of it. I mean, the thing is, like, I wrote it before in my journal that, I'm just going to donate this money. That's done. So, like, things may go wrong. I mean, come on, 40,000 rupees is like, okay, it's not that big a deal for me right now. It is and it isn't. Like, it's somewhere in the between. But still, you gotta be like, it's fine. Like, even 4 lakhs may have gone. The entire bank balance would have got wiped out. So, there's so many funny things, right? But you gotta be chill. And if you are suffering, the reason for that is the ego, right? A sort of identification. So I try to just, like, ego is necessary, right? You need it. Like, if I'm playing business, if I'm recording this video, there's a certain layer of identity that is attached to this creation. But it doesn't have to seep into everything, right? It doesn't have to seep into the person I am within myself. Not what you are seeing, but within myself. Like, when I'm sitting there, okay, he's Aiden. It's a really stupid lesson. It takes away a lot of authority when I talk about this, but who cares? It's the truth. So that's it for this video. Just some small advice, exploration, fun stuff for you guys. I may even end up cutting this, but who cares, bro? Like, just go, just have some fun, and that's it. Till the next one, peace out. मेरे को खाना ऑर्डर करना था. Okay.
बल्ले बल्ले यसूदी बल्ले बल्ले यसूदी बल्ले बल्ले यसूदी बल्ले